gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This summer night, this summer night. Oh, this summer night.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way. I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more. I'm sure it'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore. Yeah, now, ooh, when you're gone, I know I still have a long way to walk. I'm sure it'll take a while to reach the golden shore. Walls and mountains standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Tales of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, soar, yeah, now. Ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore. I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.
Hold on, wait for the morning till the sun comes over the hills. Make your call loud and clear. I will listen patiently. How are you to know? How are you to know? It's all the things you do and all the things I don't. Close your eyes, hear the birds singing. Take your time, I'll be here. How was I to know? How was I to know? It was always true. If only I knew. Don't let me fall out if you want out. A new beginning is waiting for us. How are you to know? How are you to know? It's all the things you do.
Okay, so I am starting to pack and I have all of my clothes laid out, so like the workout, athletic stuff, going home outfit, kind of a dressier outfit if we like go do something, and then I have my swimsuits and what I will wear over my swimsuits, and then this is just kind of an extra outfit if I need it, just to hang out at the cabin. And then I have all of my undergarments in there, and I laid out my shoes, so I need to pack those. So let me do that. Okay, I have everything that I can grab right now laid out, like toiletries, things like that. So I'm just gonna pack everything in here, and then I will try to start organizing the bags. So let me figure all this out.
All the things I thought.
These are Mickey's clothes, my clothes, and I put Rowan's bag in here just because I had room. And then, let's see, I think this stands up really. It kind of does. That will go there. And then we have my shower bag, sunscreen, stuff like that. This is like my little hair towel. I just didn't want to stuff it in there. And I'm taking my travel hangers. Oh, and I do have my makeup case too. I wouldn't like normally bring like a ton of makeup because I mean we're going to a cabin, but we're taking family photos, so I need to bring like, you know, my makeup to do all of the makeup to do my makeup for that. So otherwise I would have just put it in this toiletry bag because that's what I did at Disney and it was perfect. So it only took like 3 things, but okay. Alright, laundry bag, sound machine, and then this is nail stuff in case I need it, and chargers. I think my makeup case will fit there. It should. Okay. I think that's good for this bag. Let me get the boys. Jensen's. Building stuff. Goodness. If I can squeeze. Bathing suit, socks. Hopefully this fits. I don't think he has, yeah, he doesn't have like the expandable zipper. Okay, and then some shoes. More shoes. Diapers, swim diapers. Crap, I still need to get normal diapers. Well, I'm just gonna have to finish packing in the morning. I mean, I know I'm gonna have to pack some stuff anyway. Like, why do I need so much stuff for a camping trip? This is ridiculous. It's almost like I need like a suitcase of just like the extra stuff. You know what I mean? Like diapers, wipes. I mean, I should have just bought, or I mean, I should just buy them on the way, but I don't want to make like an extra stop if we don't have to. And also, like, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. I thought there was, I've been there one time, and I thought there was a Walmart like pretty close, like before you get there, but now I might be thinking of a different place that we went to. So I don't know, I'll figure it out in the morning, but for now I am finished. We also have like, we're also taking like a huge cooler, another like bag of like random stuff, and then another bag of food that doesn't need to go in the cooler. We probably did not need this huge cooler. I should have told Mickey to grab the small one. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, I'm going to eat dinner. It is like, I think 8:30. $8:21. Still haven't eaten dinner. So I'm gonna eat dinner and sit down and watch TV. I don't know. I'm so tired. I've done so much today. I know I haven't shown a lot, but it was just like the stuff like doing laundry, doing like, you know, picking up the house, picked up those groceries that we're taking, just like little stuff like that. Like, why is it that wives and moms have to clean their house and have it like, you know, spick and span when you're leaving? It makes no sense. But yet I do it every time.